Okay, so this exercise then is going to be now the front squat, okay, but your heels are going to be elevated. So for this one, what I'm going to do is just to grab Kirsty and we're going to use what we call here a slant ramp, okay, or if you don't have a ramp available, then you can then just use a weight plate, okay, so stick the weight plate on the ground and then just place your heels on top of there. Okay, so Kirsty's going to dress onto the ramp for us there, so feet are going to be shoulder width apart, okay, so a little bit wider, that's good. I'm just going to turn the toes out slightly as well. Okay, that's it. Okay, and then from there, we're going to keep nice and upright. So arms there across the chest, that's good. Okay, elbows up nice and high. Okay, I'm just going to do a nice squat down. Okay, so as we're squatting down, trying to get as much range as we possibly can. That's good. And then return to the top. That's good. And again. Okay, and the ideal is if you can get around about 90 degrees there, then that's great. And return again. That's really, really good. Okay, if you find, okay, so go again. You get past there, so if you go past, that's good, and you can still maintain that flat back posture there, which is great, then you're doing good, okay, and return to the top. Okay, so that range is really good, but if you find, okay, so come down again, as you're squatting, okay, all the way down, round your back up for me, that's it. So if that starts to happen, where your back starts to flex and you're rounding out, okay, then obviously that's too deep for you, so just return to the top, okay, so come back up. So that just means then you're not going to go down as far, all right, yeah, but having your heels elevated is going to help you on this. So just return back down again, Kirsty, so there, hold it there, okay, so that there is the ideal, around about 90 degrees, so thighs parallel with the ground, okay, and then return to the top. Okay, so you keep that form all the way through, so let's go again. As we start the squat, remember through here, we're making sure that we've got that nice strong brace all the way through the whole of the movement throughout. Okay, so as we're breathing, when we get to the top there, okay, yeah, we're going to release the breath, okay? We're then going to pull that breath in, we're going to hold the brace, we're going to return down, hold it there, and then we're going to return back to the top again. Okay, as you can see from Kirsty's demonstration there.